Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Bearded Ford Tech. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You guys know what this is. The CP4 pump. You know, the ones that always fail. This one did not fail internally. This one was actually leaking right here. So this is not the same pump from the video where I did the fuel line where the bolt was sticking down in the intake. But what I want is this one's got 412,000 miles on it, original pump. I just want to take it apart and see how much wear is actually in this thing. And we're going to pull the rollers out, we're going to pull the cam out, and we're going to pull the VCV, which is a volume control valve, to see if there's any metal in there. So let's get started. I actually did not have the right size socket to go on here, but I found this in my toolbox. We're going to check the VCV to see if there's any metal on it, if this fuel pump was failing. We're going to see if there's any algae on it or maybe any rust staining. The truck runs fine. Every time I pull a fuel sample, there's no water in it. So, but if your CP4 fails and you're under warranty, you want to see this to see if there's any. You hear us talk about it all the time. Well, they're going to have some fuel in it. So there is no metal on it. There is no rust on the screen. There is no rust on the inside. There is no metal on the inside. This VCV is very good. Let me keep this as a spare. You can see there's no metal debris down inside there, which is a good thing. Let's go ahead and pull these off. I don't see any rust inside there. I don't see any metal debris inside there. Very clean. Dumping out diesel everywhere. Not seeing anywhere in there. Not seeing anything in there. It all looks good so far. For 412,000 miles, doesn't look bad at all. Go ahead and pull these four front ones out. roller. That roller looks very good. That roller looks very good. It rolls freely. No wear marks. See the cam down in there? Alright, well, I can't get this separated. I don't have the correct tool to do so right now. I was trying to rig it up where I could pull the plate off, but I can't. I don't have a puller to get it. But if you look down inside there at the cam, there is no wear on this thing. And the original pump, 412,000, almost 413,000 miles. Pretty impressed. And as long as you use fuel stabilizers or fuel additives like you're supposed to, and check your fuel water at, you know, every month, drain that fuel filter, see how much water you got in there. It's the only way to know for sure. And I appreciate it, and I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.